So Katrina, we've created just about all the documents that you can create here in RoofSnap.
Mm-hmm.
We've got the estimate, the contract, the material order sheet, the sketch report, the labor summary report. There's one more report that we can create here in RoofSnap, and it really has two primary applications.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say that you have just completed the estimate and you haven't even given it to the customer yet.
Okay.
If you have certain margins that you have to hit, if your set minimum margin is, say, 30% gross margin, well, you might want to go in even before you've given an estimate to the customer and generate the summary report.
Great.
The summary report, it's going to show you your total labor, your total material. Let's just wait and see once we get it open here. But if you want to know how much profit is going to be on the job, even before you present that option to the customer, the labor summary report is going to display that information for you. Here we can see that it's provided us with the contract price, our total overhead. So for example, this is a organization setting where you as the organization admin can set if you want a 10% overhead to come right off the top of the job before any commissions or anything else is paid. You can set that up at whatever percentage you see fit.
Great.
We can see that the net price after that overhead is taken is a little over 13 grand. Total labor, 3,200, total material, 5,800, taxes, and then the total job cost. And we're seeing percentages here on the right as well. When we get down to the bottom, we can see that the final gross profit on this job after the overhead is taken out is just about 4 grand. And then this salesman has been set up with a commission based on gross margin of 35%. So he's going to get 1,376. You can set up a salesman's commission based on the sale price of the job, a percentage of the total sale, or as a percentage of the gross profit on the job.
Gotcha.
So there's two options of how you can set it up there, again, as a direct percentage. When you have completed the job in RoofSnap and you've finished installing it, you can also pull this report on the tail end as an admin just to see how much profit each job that has been sold from your organization has created. So that's the second time when this document comes in handy. I like to advise salesmen to use this document on the front end just so that they know what their margins are even before they've gotten a signed contract. But certainly admins and business owners are going to want to pull these documents to have an accounting of how much profit they've made on the job and compare that from when they estimated to how much profit they actually made on the job. That allows you to go back and do any tweaking with your costs just to sort of fine-tune your pricing and make sure that your pre-production numbers are equivalent to your post-production numbers.
Wonderful.
And that is our project summary report.